There is an airy gridlock in Lagos presently as residents storm the Third Mainland Bridge to protest the planned demolition of their homes. The protesters, made up of men, women, and children, blocked sections of the bridge, leaving motorists stranded for hours. According to the residents, the demolition exercise will render several families homeless and worsen the hardship they already face. Eyewitnesses reported that the demonstrators carried place cards and chanted slogans calling on the Lagos state government to halt the exercise and provide alternative housing solutions. As of the time of filing this report, security operatives have been deployed to the area to restore order, while authorities are yet to issue an official statement addressing the grievances of the residents. What do you think will happen to the residents being affected by the demolition? Will the Lagos state government offer solution, or, as usual, Nigerian government are just going to keep quiet over this issue? Leave your thoughts on the comment sections. Reporting live for Main News TV. Thank you for watching.